وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أجمعين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا. So today I want to present to you my final year project of 42 which is mini houseboat design and development. And my name is Muhammad Wahidduzaman Zulkifli. My student ID is 2021687058. My supervisor name is Nur Abdul Rahman. So previously in FYP1, the mini houseboat will focus on the hull design that was used in the mini houseboat. So in FYP2, we want to make a detailed drawing of mini houseboat and find a suitable method for fabricating a mini houseboat. So we will move to the agenda first. The first agenda, which is objective, and second, scope of work, and the next is problem statement, literature review, project methodology, result discussion, and conclusion and recommendation. So firstly, we go to the objective and scope of work. Objective. Okay, so actually, what is my objective in FOP2? The first objective is to develop a production detailed drawing of a houseboat that is suitable for the people. So in this FOP2, I have been designed two concept of main houseboat that we will choose, and I will explain later. And then to determine the optimal production method for main houseboat that has the lowest cost, which is handler method and the recuperation method. So actually, the objectives, why we want to use the lowest cost. In a contained economic time, maintaining a low production cost ensure that your business remains resilient. This adaptability is crucial for navigating economic fluctuation and maintaining stability. By keeping production costs low, we can enter the market more easily and penetrate different segments. This may be crucial for establishing a strong presence and gaining a foothold in industry. After that, scope of project. Next is the scope of project. So in many houseboat design and development, what is the limitation in the study? Firstly, computer-aided design CAD SolidWorks and Excel for designing the detailed drawing of houseboat. After that, the chosen method of fabrication of boat will be applied to construct the main houseboat. Then the mini houseboat dimension are 6 meter long and 5 meter wide. The mini houseboat capacity want to focus 2 people only. And finally, mini houseboat will operate at the calm water only as a field of study. And then we go through the problem statement. Actually, what is the factor that brought my team to make mini houseboat as a field study? So the first problem is the houseboat are too expensive to rent and not suitable for a 2-person trip. And then the production of mini houseboat in Malaysia is not produced a lot. After that, the tourism want to have a long trip in the middle a calm lake. The houseboat is not the choice. After that, the tourists need a small houseboat with a cheaper price that provide all the elements needed, including safety. The cost of operating and the cost of maintaining a houseboat alone is very high. After that, we go to the literature review. So in the literature review, we go through the product dissection of mini houseboat first. In the mini houseboat, the mini houseboat is the boat that is used for holiday trip and recreational activity. And then the construction of hull. The hull of mini houseboat As a lot version of them, hull material will research the optimal material for hull mini houseboat, and then plumbing system examine the water system inside mini houseboat, the water tank and the pump pipe. Layout inside of mini houseboat. Arrangement space inside the mini houseboat need to be analyzed. For example, bedroom, toilet, kitchen, and ham station. Structural component in mini houseboat. Investigate the structural component inside the mini houseboat is strong enough to give safety to the user. Then electrical system. Investigate the electrical system required in mini houseboat such as switches and circuit breaker. And then propulsion mechanism, the limited weight that can make the motor move. How much fuel needed per day in the main houseboat. After that, wall thread sliding. Use thread sliding with a foldable mechanism that closed by canvas. The mechanism can easily be folded. After that, amenities and feeder. Investigate the amenities and feeder that are suitable in the ideal main houseboat, such as navigation equipment, safety equipment, and entertainment system. And finally, canvas that have the foldable part that can be opened and closed. This part needed to use the material that has flexible properties such as canvas. After that, production method choice. So production method in topic 2, I want to focus. I want to focus on two methods which are hand layout method and vacuum efficient method. This method I have chosen from the perspective that is suitable in the fabricated mini houseboat in terms of cost, construction time, and strength. So for simplified, hand layout method is the method that using fiber reinforced material with the application of and follow the mold that has been made with a specific shape to build up the thickness. And then vacuum method is a close molding process that involves a wide range of production and technical needs. Okay, then project methodology. So as you can see, we go through the flowchart from the okay. So from the chart, from starting info P2, collect all info and make research on the method of construct a boat. Then literary review about method of construction boat, which is hand layout method and vacuum method. Then we go to the evaluate the optimal method for the construction of the boat that have the lowest cost. And then after yes, decide on the optimum production method. And if no, we go back to up there, which is evaluate the optimal method for the construction of the boat that have the lowest cost. And uh, after we can pass all of this situation, finally we can development of production drawing, and then we end. So this is physical decomposition. So this is our mini houseboat, and then hull for we divided by three section, which is hull or for main houseboat, water propulsion system, house structure. As you can see, hull, storage compartment, fuel tank, engine, and hull for main houseboat. After that, house construction, bed, storage, kitchen, electric supply, inside main houseboat, water system for the windows, and steering console. And this is our Gantt chart. As you can see, the Gantt chart follow through by the flow chart. This is the progress of my Gantt chart of the project FYP2. Then we move to the result and discussion. As you can see, in the morphological table, in this morphological table, I have made two design in houseboat whose concept is different design at the affordable main houseboat, which is the first concept. As you can see in the figure, the first idea is wanting to make mini houseboat at back but have affordable wall mechanism that the connector between the main port are connected at an angle in degree and its strong structure. And then the concept 2, the foldable wall pole connector is kept connected long internal and the connector can be folded. Then, as you can see, this is my PU GH table, and this is PU GH table is very important in this situation because we need to choose the best option in designing in-house boat. So in the data drawing, as you can see, the concept 1 has the highest value compared to concept 2. And from this score that we have calculated, we choose the concept 1 as our product. After that, we go through the weight estimation first. This weight estimation is very important because we need to calculate this first to know how much the material we needed in fabrication of in-house boat. So we have divided for five items, which is hull plate, hull structure, jet structure, cabin wall, jet plate. So after calculated all the area, as you can see, we know the total CSM, total Wolverine, and then we know the weight of gel coat that we needed, and then we know the total weight of resin. So after we complete this all calculation, we go through to the BOM, which is bill of material. As you know, hand layout method and recognition is different method. So we need to make a bill of material to compare the price. As we go through the first second objective in my FYP2, we want to define the most optimal method at the lowest cost. Then by calculating all of the bill, we conclude that the hand layout method is the most lowest cost, which is uh, 1726.78 ringgit. After we choose after we choose the concept 1, we need to make a detailed drawing that has part by part. So firstly is the canvas, and then canvas 2, and then the end cabin. After that, pole connector, lock base, thread sighting, U-pole, long stick holder, and hull. And this is our hull mold that we want to use and making in-house boat. And this is in-house boat as a level drawing. And this is the in-house boat exploded drawing. After that, we go through the conclusion and recommendation. So in the conclusion, the objective of this project have been achieved, where the first objective is wanted to make the detailed drawing by using software software. The project also successfully complete the assembled drawing and have a full design of in-house boat. The second objective of the project also have been achieving, where the project want to find the most optimal method, that the production method will have the lowest cost. In fabrication of in-house boat. The method that has been chosen is hand layout method. In recommendation, to improve the project of in-house boat, these are the recommendations in the future. In the future study, the construction of in-house boat can be done by using methods that have been analyzed in the future. Some more research need to be done regarding method on how to make the boat that will give the cost of production become more cheap. So that's all for me. I hope that you satisfied with my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.